in here all together. Those species range from rock hoppers, adelies, which are right here in front of me. We also have gentoos with the little white headbands, and then also we have caitons like this guy right here beside me. In addition to the penguins, you're going to see we do have 3 flighted birds. Up on the rocks here in the center, you see 2 gulls. Those are called kelp gulls. So just to make it a little more diverse in here, we do have those species.
He's shaking his head like.
Okay, anybody got any questions you would like Tara to answer for you? Yeah, what's your question, Tara? Yep. She wants to know which one, male or female, lays on the eggs.
That's a good question. Actually, the penguins will take turns doing that. So breeding season is coming up here in September. They are in their winter right now, approaching spring. So once breeding season happens, they're going to pair up with their mate, and then whenever the female lays the egg, they will take turns sitting on the egg, keeping it warm in the nest. They will both help protect that egg.
So.
Okay, our next question is, how much do they eat in one day?
They do eat a lot. For all our penguins right now, they're getting about 180 kilograms of food. That's the way it's measured. Throughout the day, we will go through, you probably saw